central West Virginia, including the following counties: Nicholas and Webster.
Those are not
When
central.
until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 11:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the heaviest of the rain was over. Flooding of area creeks and streams due to heavier rains Tuesday combined with runoff from earlier snowmelt is occurring. Flooding has been reported along Gauley River Road in Webster Springs. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. A quarter of an inch or less of liquid equivalent rainfall is expected as rain showers change to snow showers overnight and then continue on Wednesday. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.25 inches are possible in the warned area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Richwood, Webster Springs, Tennyson Webster Springs, Craigsville, Glade, Nettie, Tulip, and Cornetta. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood damage to current vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free
WCHS?
401-9535.
You wanna not?
You can do so safely. Repeating, an areal flood warning will stand until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Nicholas, West Virginia.
You're plugged into a charger. Live from the city never sleeps.
Areal Flood Warning issued at 12:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Flood warnings will be effective until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. What small stream flooding caused by rain and snowmelt continues. Where a portion of central West Virginia, including the following counties: Nicholas and Webster. When until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 11:57 p.m. The heaviest of the rain was over. Flooding of area creeks and streams due to heavier rains Tuesday combined with runoff from earlier snowmelt is occurring. Flooding has been reported along Gauley River Road in Webster Springs. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. A quarter of an inch or less of liquid equivalent rainfall is expected as rain showers change to snow showers overnight and then continue on Wednesday. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.25 inches of some locations that will experience flooding include Richwood, Webster Springs, Addison Webster Springs, Craigsville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood damage occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flood. Report flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 800-401-9535 when you can do so safely. Repeating, an areal flood warning remains in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Nicholas, West Virginia. An areal flood warning remains in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county: Nicholas, West Virginia. Wednesday night, mostly.
So we're going to talk about immigration.
In the mid-40s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy.
I'm gonna sleep great tonight. Why this thing's complaining about low voltage, I don't know. It's plugged into a charger now. It's a TID radio, and yes, this video was filmed on the Pixel 4a because my 8 was on the charge, and was the headphone jack and I was watching YouTube.